Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today we're going to go over 5 different kicking combinations that you can do on a bag. Now let's get started. This first combination is very simple. All it is a front leg fast kick, and then you're going to land, pick it up, front leg double kick. So it's going to look like this. From here I'm going to slide in. Fast kick, land, I'm going to pick up that same leg, 1, 2. Front leg double kick. So on this one you really want to focus, stay low to the ground on the fast kick. Once you land, pick it back up, front leg double kick, focus on getting those hips over. The second combination, we're going to start off setting it up with a cut kick. So all we're going to do from here, you're just going to do a basic, just simple, just kind of cut kick, throw it out, come back. From here, you're going to do a cut roundhouse kick, and then you're going to land. And what I want you to do, you're going to kind of lay back, kind of sit back a little bit, and do a back leg roundhouse kick, just like that. So it's a little bit different. You're not fully turning over. It's kind of if you don't have as much space, you're just kind of just piking it up, just like that. So once again, cut kick, cut roundhouse, boom. Just kind of that nice, in tight, kind of piked roundhouse kick. This next combination, we're going to start off with a punch. So we're going to kind of work the clinch on this one. So from here, all you're going to do, you're going to slide in, backhand punch. From here, we're going to basically just kind of stay in the clinch. You're going to do a back leg roundhouse kick, kind of piked out a little bit, like this, nice and short, in tight roundhouse. You're going to use that same leg, and we're going to do kind of like a reverse roundhouse or kind of like type of crescent kick. So from here, you're going to come here, land in that same foot, crescent kick to this side. So basically, once you get on the inside, you're attacking the body, and then we're going to one side of the head, then to the other side of the head. This next combination, we're going to start off with some footwork and also add a spin into it. So from here, all we're going to do, you're going to take your back foot, you're going to do a side step off to the side, and then from here with that back leg, you're going to do a back kick, land, and then with that back leg, low high roundhouse kick. So you're kind of angling off to the side. Imagine like you're baiting someone to kind of attack you. You do that back kick, land, low high roundhouse kick. This last combination, we're going to start off with a skipping front leg double kick going forward. So it's going to look like this, land, and then once you get here, you're going to do a slide back, patachaki with the back leg, land, and then that same foot, hook kick to the body, and then to finish it off, you're going to do kind of like a defensive jumping cut kick with that front foot as you kind of go away. So once again, you're going to be here, 1, 2, land, slide back, 1, 2, and 3. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to train with me online, visit alexwongtkd.com for more details on my group classes and my one-on-one sessions. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. Thank you all for watching the video. I'll see you guys later.